what boy doing on the race. Dog. I really ball your ball, dog.
Break my heart. Say you love me again. Undo this hurt you caused when you walked out the door and walked out of my life.
And break heart, brother. I'm more than one fish in the sea right now. You eat that for your by girl, brother, man. You eat that. You see me? So all you talk, she not come back to you. Now if you talk, yeah, you see the girl not come back to you. You see me, boy, you talk about and break my heart. But yeah, the bit. I'm my box in the face, you know. I no bother no girl, you see me, cause you know what I say?
Cause a boy like me not mad. No. Me not mad over no.
Youth. I'm tell you this, man. If you like say the girl go come back to you in the ball, that make the girl free pressure and self, dog, you see it? So yo, brother, get up off your ass and go find blood clear, girl. I'm tell you.
Unbreak my heart. Say you love me again. Undo.
Circus. Yes, coach produce enough to take care of
Unbreak my heart. Say you love me again. Undo.
Yeah, people, you see it, so that's how I break up these stages, see it, and you know, if I go through a similar situation, yo, you can let me know on Instagram and things. So yo, if you in the same situation as me, please do me a favor, ask her if she not comply, dog, and thing, do left her, you see, because trust me, I'm more than one girl out there, you see me? A billion girl out there, brother. All girl up in the sky to rotted. Different planets, you see it. And we upon here, you see me, dog? So yo, do me tell you for do, you see it? So yo, like, share, and subscribe, and tell me what you think, you see it.
Cause a boy like me not mad. No. Me not mad over no girl. Cause a boy like we not mad.